Shalom, and welcome to the 6th lesson of my Hebrew course, where we dive into essential Hebrew vocabulary and practice using it in real-life sentences. Before we jump into new vocabulary, let's do a quick recap of some of what we've covered in previous lessons. To come is לבוא, לבוא. To eat is לאכול, לאכול. To speak is לדבר, לדבר. To drink is לשתות, לשתות. To go or to walk is ללכת, ללכת. To arrive is להגיע, להגיע. To say is להגיד, להגיד. Today is היום, היום. To ask when, say מתי, מתי. Early is מוקדם, מוקדם. Now is עכשיו, עכשיו. Something is משהו, משהו. Later is מאוחר יותר, מאוחר יותר. Water is מים, מים. The verb love for every singular male is אוהב, אוהב. And the verb love for every singular female is אוהבת, אוהבת. Now, let's move on to new vocabulary. The verb need, when referring to a singular male, is צריך, צריך. So it will be אני צריך, I need, when I is a male. אתה צריך, you need, when you is a singular male, and he needs, הוא צריך. And the verb need, when referring to a singular female, is צריכה, צריכה. So it will be אני צריכה, I need, when I is a female. את צריכה, you need, when you is a singular female, and היא צריכה, she needs. Let's use them in a sentence. To say, I need to go now, as a male, say, אני צריך ללכת עכשיו. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, ללכת, to go, עכשיו, now. To say, I need to drink something, as a female, say, אני צריכה לשתות משהו. אני, I, צריכה, need, singular female, לשתות, to drink, משהו, something. The word for there is שם, שם. And to say to there, you would say לשם, לשם. For example, to say, when does she need to go there? Say, מתי היא צריכה ללכת לשם? מתי, when, he, she, צריכה, needs, singular female, ללכת, to go, לשם, to there. To say, she needs to go there later, say, היא צריכה ללכת לשם מאוחר יותר. He, she, צריכה, needs, singular female, ללכת, to go, לשם, to there, מאוחר יותר, later. To say, you need to arrive there early when speaking to a singular female, say, את צריכה להגיע לשם מוקדם. את, you, singular female, צריכה, need, singular female, להגיע, to arrive, לשם, to there, מוקדם, early. Next, we have the word tomorrow, מחר, מחר. To say, he needs to arrive there tomorrow, say, הוא צריך להגיע לשם מחר. הוא, he, צריך, needs, singular male, להגיע, to arrive, לשם, to there, מחר, tomorrow. Next, we have the verb to sleep, לישון, לישון. To say, he needs to go to sleep early, say, הוא צריך ללכת לישון מוקדם. הוא, he, צריך, needs, singular male, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep, מוקדם, early. To say, I like to sleep, as a male, say, אני אוהב לישון. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לישון, to sleep. Now, let's practice. How would you say, I need to drink something as a female? אני צריכה לשתות משהו. אני, I, צריכה, need, singular female, לשתות, to drink, משהו, something. How would you say, he needs to come today? הוא צריך לבוא היום. הוא, he, צריך, needs, singular male, לבוא, to come, היום, today. How would you say, I need to tell you something as a male speaking to a male? אני צריך להגיד לך משהו. אני, I, צריך, need, singular male, להגיד, to say or to tell, לך, to you, singular male, משהו, something. How would you say, you need to arrive there at 1 o'clock when speaking to a male? אתה צריך להגיע לשם בשעה אחת. אתה, you, singular male, צריך, need, singular male, להגיע, to arrive, לשם, to there, בשעה, at hour, אחת, one. How would you say, I need to arrive there early today, as a female? אני צריכה להגיע לשם מוקדם היום. I צריכה, need, singular female, להגיע, to arrive, לשם, to there, מוקדם, early, היום, today. How would you say, I like to eat pizza as a male? אני אוהב לאכול פיצה. I אוהב, love, singular male, לאכול, to eat, pizza. How would you say, I need to arrive there early tomorrow as a male? אני צריך להגיע לשם מוקדם מחר. I צריך, need, singular male, להגיע, to arrive, לשם, to there, מוקדם, early, מחר, tomorrow. How would you say, you need to go to sleep early today when speaking to a singular male? אתה צריך ללכת לישון מוקדם היום. אתה, you, singular male, צריך, need, singular male, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep, מוקדם, early, היום, today. How would you say, she likes to drink water? היא אוהבת לשתות מים. she, אוהבת, loves, singular female, לשתות, to drink, מים, water. How would you ask, when do you need to arrive there, when speaking to a singular male? מתי אתה צריך להגיע לשם? מתי, when, אתה, you, singular male, צריך, need, singular male, להגיע, to arrive, לשם, to there. How would you ask, when does he need to go to sleep? מתי הוא צריך ללכת לישון? מתי, when, הוא, he, צריך, needs, singular male, ללכת, to go, לישון, to sleep. Try to create more sentences with the vocabulary that you've already learned and write them in the comments below. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.